Let's see how this turned out. You're going to, just to kind of see if you like the effect, you're going to go right here and unselect it. And then there's that. And let me show you what it looks like with no, like dried edge. Let's go down here. This is no edge, and this is with the edge on. I just think it gives it like, just like that little bit of detail that makes it look more authentic. Here's the C and the O. Yep, that's it. Okay, and now if you want to, you may add another layer, and you can select what color, like I'm selecting that pink color, and you can go a little lighter, and you can use your watercolor edge. I'm going to make it a little bigger, and make sure you go in and select the layer. Go back up to this blank layer. Nope, just kidding. And you can lighten it. Just kind of lighten that if you want to. You do not have to do this step. I'm going to select the orange and go a little lighter. And I'm going to kind of lighten it. This is just another little step. Again, you do not have to do this. Go to the green, lighten it, and we're just going to go around and kind of lighten the bigger parts of our lettering. Let's go to the blue, lighter color. I like my watercolors a little bolder, but some people like it to look lighter, so click that blue, go light, and then kind of color in. I'm using a light pressure with this. Again, you do not have to do this, just a little something I sometimes do with my watercolor lettering. All right, and there it is. Now you can go up into your layers and turn off the grid guide like that, and there's that watercolor. Another thing I do is I'll add another layer, and I'll choose the brush, one of these like watercolor dots. I think 3 of them are included. I have a new one right here that I'm just playing with, but I usually do the gradual watercolor dots. And I'll go and select the color, and then I'll put a couple dots around it. I'll select that color, put a couple dots, select this color. You can even do it like this if you don't want as many dots. And this brush is also pressure sensitive. So if you do it harder, the dots are going to show up bigger. If you do it lighter, they're going to show up very, very fine. So just add a little bit of watercolor splash. And there you go. That is how I do my watercolor lettering. Now, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you're maybe stuck on something or not understanding something, just let me know and I will do my best to try to like help you through it. The best way to kind of get it how you like is to just play around with it. I also have other brushes in this set, so you can make like backgrounds. If you go into the brush set, I have a soft watercolor, and let's try, yeah, that's up. Okay. And you can kind of just like make your own little watercolor background. This one's really light. The other one that I have is a little darker. Shows up like that. And to blend it together, you can use the smudge tool like we were doing and kind of blend it. I'm sure that'll be my next video. So, yeah, that's it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. My handle is @simplyalisonwagner, and I'll put it in the description below. I'll also put the brushes below if you want to buy them. So yeah, again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hit subscribe. I'll be doing many more tutorials because I got a fancy new camera. So I will see you guys next time. That is the last video of this series. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe.